The living world Neet pyqs from 16 to 23. Housefly belongs to dash family. Solution. Option 2 is the answer because housefly belongs to the family Muscidae. X and Y are the components of binomial nomenclature. This naming system was proposed by Z. Solution. In binomial nomenclature, every organism is given a scientific name that consists of two components, X, generic name, Y, specific epithet, Z, Carolus Linnaeus. This system was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. Option 3, X, generic name, Y, specific epithet, Z, Carolus Linnaeus. In the taxonomic categories, which hierarchical arrangement in ascending order is correct in case of animals? None of the options are matching with the language of the question. The correct ascending order of taxonomic categories in case of animals is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. Correct answer is option 4. Which one of the following belongs to the family Muscidae? Muscidae are commonly known as houseflies or stable flies. Option B, housefly is the right answer. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango, which was first described by Carolus Linnaeus. According to binomial nomenclature, the first word denoting the genus starts with a capital letter while the specific epithet starts with a small letter. Example, scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. The author name appears after the specific epithet that's at the end of biological name and is written in abbreviated form. Example, Mangifera indica Linn, which indicates that the species was first described by Linnaeus. So correct option is option C, Mangifera indica Linn. Which of the following is against the rules of ICBN? Handwritten scientific names should be underlined. Every species should have a generic name and a specific epithet. Scientific names are in Latin and should be italicized when printed. Generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. According to the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, the first word denoting the genus starts with a capital letter while the specific epithet starts with a small letter. Option A, B, C are considered under the rules of ICBN. So option D, generic and specific names, is right. The contrasting characters generally in a pair used for identification of animals in the taxonomic key are referred to as lead, couplet, doublet, alternate. Key is a taxonomic aid used for identification of plants and animals based on the similarities and dissimilarities. The keys are based on the contrasting characters generally in a pair called couplet. Hence, the correct option is the label of herbarium does not carry information on date of collection, name of collector, local names, height of plant. Option D is the right answer. 4 statements given below and select the 2 correct ones out of them. Definition of biological species was given by Ernest Mayr. Photoperiod does not affect reproduction in plants. Binomial nomenclature system was given by R.H. Whitaker. In unicellular organism, reproduction is synonymous with growth. The 2 correct statements are: photoperiod affects the reproduction in plants by regulating the flower timing of plants. The binomial system of nomenclature was given by Carolus Linnaeus. R.H. Whitaker proposed 5 kingdom classification of living organisms. So correct option is C, A and D. A and D statements. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? Biological names can be written in any language. The first word in a biological name represents the genus name and the second is specific epithet. The names are written in Latin and are italicized when printed. When written by hand, the names are to be underlined. Correct answer is option A. Binomial nomenclature is a formal system of naming living things that consists of 2 parts, genus and species, both of which should be written in Latin forms. It's much easier for a small animal to run uphill than for a large animal because it is easier to carry small body weight. Smaller animals have a high metabolic rate. Small animals have a lower O2 requirement. The efficiency of muscles in large animal is less than in small animals. Correct answer is option B. The metabolic rate of animal is proportional to its size. The metabolic rate of a large animal is lower because of their high metabolic rate. Little animals can climb uphill faster than large.